Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Jennifer. I just received an email from DeWalt Corporate letting me know about a couple sales going on right now through December 31st. DeWalt is offering several deals on tools for mechanics or other trades, including the following tools. The first sale I'm going to group together because they're both 20 volt max XR brushless cordless half-inch drill driver kits. The model numbers are either DCD 800P1, okay, and also DCD 800D1E1. Both are 14% off currently, making them as low as $189 each. Next, model number DCF 887D1E1, which is the 20 volt max XR 1/4 inch 3-speed impact driver kit with POWERSTACK 1.7 amp hour battery, is 14% off, also as low as $189. And lastly, DCF 899M1, the 20 volt max XR brushless high torque half-inch impact wrench is 14% off, now as low as $299. More information is available at dewalt.com/promos. Go to view deals in each category. Now sometimes navigation on this site is a little bit tricky, but eventually after you click around a little bit, you should see a buy now tab, and that will take you to authorized DeWalt dealers online or in your area. I'll include shopping links in the description of this video to some of my affiliates if you want to check out those deals. And also I noticed on DeWalt.com there are many more things than what they included in the email. So if you want to spend all of your money, I'm really sorry and I apologize. So let me know if you have any questions in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Until then, take care.